RowBike V-1, a one-of-a-kind exercise tool that seamlessly blends the dynamic nature of cycling with the full-body resistance training of rowing. This low-impact cardiovascular workout targets over 90% of your major muscle groups, allowing you to burn up to 1,200 calories per hour while enjoying the great outdoors. Crafted from 705 heat-treated aluminum, the RowBike V-1 is both sturdy and lightweight. Its groundbreaking Nincy N360 internal gear hub and patented rowing power bar let you effortlessly adjust difficulty levels. Designed for fitness enthusiasts between 5'2" and 6'4", the versatile RowBike V-1 offers an effective and enjoyable workout experience for $2,495. Explore your environment and elevate your fitness routine with this cutting-edge gadget. Stator LE, an elite electric scooter renowned for its dependable performance and distinctive design. This scooter features a key lock, LED battery indicator, horn button, single-sided throttle, and large wheels capable of reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour, all while maintaining a sleek appearance thanks to internally routed wiring. Powered by a 1 kilowatt battery, the Stator LE boasts a top speed of 30 miles per hour and offers a potential range of up to 80 miles, with realistic expectations around 50 to 60 miles. Its 90 lb frame and 50-inch wheelbase, constructed with automotive-grade components, ensure durability and stability. The fan blades on the wheels help keep the motor cool during rides. Reserve your own Stator LE with a $250 deposit, in addition to the $3,995 price tag, and experience the fusion of power, range, and style. Toyota iRoad, an innovative and compact electric vehicle designed specifically for city driving. Featuring an active lean mechanism, this unique three-wheeled EV tilts during corners like a motorbike, offering a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Ideal for short urban commutes, the iRoad reaches a top speed of 28 miles per hour with its dual in-wheel motors. Weighing only 300 kg and producing zero carbon dioxide emissions, it's an eco-friendly transportation solution. Though still a concept car, with ongoing tests in various urban environments, the iRoad represents Toyota's vision for the future of transportation, emphasizing environmental sustainability, interior efficiency, and seamless integration with public transit networks. Afreda S6, a revolutionary electric tricycle that combines stability, versatility, and cutting-edge technology. With its fast-folding mechanism, this tricycle collapses in just 1 second, making storage and travel incredibly convenient. Powered by dual battery technology, the Afreda S6 offers extended range and enhanced reliability. Its 11-inch amplitude shock absorption and 40D inclination capacity ensure smooth rides over uneven terrain, catering to riders of all abilities. Choose between free riding and self-balance riding modes to suit your preferences. For added safety, the Afreda S6 features hydraulic disc brakes and an easy-to-read LCD screen displaying speed, mileage, and power. Its sturdy structure accommodates 2 extra seats, making it perfect for a wide range of users. At $11,999, the Afreda S6 offers a compelling price-to-feature ratio, providing an exceptional riding experience. InMottion SCV V8, also known as the Solo Wheel Glide 3 or V8 electric unicycle, a modern marvel in personal mobility. This versatile unicycle glides effortlessly over various terrains with its 16-inch wheel and powerful engine. A single charge provides a range of 28 to 31 miles, reaching top speeds of 19 miles per hour. It handles hills with up to a 25-degree incline and supports riders up to 260 lbs, ensuring practicality and sturdiness. Now, with the InMottion V8's S223 model available for just $699, down from $1,099, you save $400. This unbeatable price makes it an excellent choice for those eager to dive into the world of electric unicycles without compromising on quality or functionality. Vtuvia SN100, the ultimate electric hunting bike designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking power and reliability. With a robust 750-watt brushless motor and maximum torque of 80 Nm, it offers a powerful and silent ride. Equipped with a 48-volt 14Ah LG lithium battery, this bike can travel up to 52 miles on a single charge. The torque sensor enhances control and efficiency, while the EXO front suspension fork ensures a smooth journey over rough terrains. Its 26-inch luminous fat tires are anti-puncture, providing durability and stability. The aluminum alloy frame supports up to 330 lbs, blending strength with style. Stay informed with the color LCD screen, designed to withstand all weather conditions. Originally priced at $1,199, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to conquer the outdoors with style and performance. Metro Mobility Max Plus Mobility Scooter, your ultimate companion whether indoors or out. With an impressive 16-mile range, this scooter offers unparalleled freedom to explore without limits. Designed for comfort and ease of use, it features ergonomic seats, user-friendly controls, and a robust build that supports greater weights without compromising performance. Perfect for daily mobility needs, it includes convenient amenities like a USB charging port and cup holders to keep you connected and refreshed on the go. Priced affordably at $1,200, the Metro Mobility Max Plus is a versatile and reliable choice for enhancing your independence and comfort wherever you roam. Velotric Nomad 1 electric fat tire bike, crafted for adventure seekers seeking versatility and performance. Priced at a reasonable $1,499, it boasts a robust 750-watt hub motor and 4-inch CST tires, ensuring reliable traction across various terrains. With a remarkable 75 Nm of torque and a payload capacity of 440 lbs, carrying cargo or larger riders is effortless. Ideal for all weather conditions, it features full coverage fenders and an IPX6 water resistance rating, while an 80 mm suspension fork smooths out rough spots. Equipped with front and rear lights for safety and a USB connector for on-the-go electronics charging, the Nomad 1 caters to riders ranging from 5'1" to 6'9" tall with its accommodating step-through design. Hiriko City Car, a revolutionary electric vehicle designed for urban mobility by a partnership between Spanish industry leaders and MIT's Media Lab. This foldable two-seat car redefines compactness, measuring just 5 feet in length and featuring a unique upward swinging windshield for access. Each of its 4 wheels houses its own motor, providing independent driving, steering, braking, and suspension capabilities, ensuring even power distribution and zero-turn maneuverability. With the ability to park up to 3 Hirikos in a single parking space, it's a game-changer for urban dwellers. Originally priced around $16,400 plus battery leasing costs, the Hiriko City Car aimed to offer up to 60 miles of range. Despite initial promise, funding challenges have slowed its development. InMottion RS, a powerhouse electric scooter redefining high performance with its 8,400-watt maximum power output and dual 2,000-watt motors. Designed for speed enthusiasts and long-distance riders, this beast can reach an exhilarating 68 mph and cover up to 100 miles on a single charge. Its unique transformation system allows seamless switching between sporty racing mode and powerful off-road mode. The efficient hydraulic suspension system and adjustable hydraulic damping ensure a smooth, safe, and comfortable ride. Built to withstand various weather conditions, the InMottion RS boasts an IPX6 body waterproof certification and an IPX7 battery waterproof rating. Priced at around $3,999, the InMottion RS is an excellent choice for those seeking a thrilling and reliable electric scooter, perfect for both urban commuting and off-road adventures.